This is my number one favourite recipe, quick and easy, stuffed eggs, or also known as deviled eggs.
First we're going to boil some eggs. I'm doing 6. Pop them on a spoon, gently place them in your water. A wee dash of vinegar, because Granny said so. Boil the eggs for 5 minutes. The vinegar helps make your eggs easier to peel.
Does it? I didn't know that.
Granny just told me and I've always done it. So there we go. We now know why you put vinegar in eggs. Take the eggs out and pop them in an ice bath. We're using cold water because we don't have ice in the motorhome. Wait for them to cool. Peel your eggs. Slice your eggs in half. Spoon the centre out and pop it in a bowl. I've been having deviled eggs since I was a little girl, as long as I can remember, like 60 something years ago. My granny taught me how to make these. They're absolutely delicious. The good thing about it is you can put what you like in the middle, really. I'm going to show you the sort of traditional way I was taught. Traditionally we add some mayonnaise, a spoon of mustard. I've got Dijon mustard, pepper to taste, some parsley. Fresh parsley's nicer, but I don't have any. And the little secret ingredients Granny told me is to put about 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar in. Whoops, I think that's more than 1/4 teaspoon. Oh well, it'll be vinegary. Mash it up with a fork and pipe the mixture back into the eggs. Put the mixture back into the egg. It's really good to learn to cook basic stuff. You don't have to be perfect. I've been cooking for 53 years that I can remember, probably longer. That's since I was cooking by myself. And I've made lots of bloopers, and I still do. Doesn't matter though, as long as you enjoy yourself. And it comes out sort of alright. Garnish with a bit of green capsicum. Here's some stuffed red pepper. Yummo. The word deviled comes from mixing hot and spicy ingredients together, such as mustard and chilli. We've got mustard in here, and I'm going to sprinkle some chilli on, hence the name deviled eggs. Super yummy snack.
Yum! You got to try this. Deviled eggs. Give it a go.